Hi, in this video I will be showing you problem number 4 from the practice exam 1. For each equation, choose the statement that describes its solution. If applicable, give the solution. So let's take the first one. 4 times y plus 1 minus y equal to 3 times y minus 1 plus 7. We'll first distribute the 4. So 4y plus 4 minus y equal to 3y minus 3 plus 7. Combine the like terms. So 4y minus y, which is a 3y plus 4 equal to 3y minus 3 plus 7 would be a 4. So you get 3y plus 4 equal to 3y plus 4, which is a true statement. If you get a true statement, then the solution will be all reals. So in this particular problem, the solution is all real numbers are solutions. So what are the other possibilities for a problem? Like when do you have y equal to something or no solution? So you do this above steps, but you get y equal to some value in this problem. Then y equal to that value will be the solution, in which case you will pick option number 2 and write whatever that number you get for y equal to 5 or y equal to 4, whatever number you get in that problem. The other possibility, when will you have this no solution? You do the above steps like we did, but you get, instead of getting a true statement like this, in case you get 5 equal to 4 or 0 equal to 4, something like that, which is a false statement, then that means the statement is contradiction, then there is no solution. Then you will pick number 1, no solution button. So let's try the next one given here, which is 2 times x plus 1 plus 7 equal to 3 times x minus 2 plus 2x. So 2 times x plus 1 plus 7 equal to 3 times x minus 2 plus 2x. Let's distribute. So 2x plus 2 plus 7 equal to 3x minus 6 plus 2x. So you get 2x plus 2 plus 7, that's a 9, equal to, here you would combine the like terms. So you get 5x minus 6. Now you have to group the x terms together. So subtract 2x on both sides. So you get 3x minus 6 equal to 9. Then add 6 to both sides. So you get 3x equal to 15. So divide by 3 both sides. So you get x equal to 5. So in this case, you would say x equal to 5. As I said earlier, in case you get a true statement here when you solve this, like say x equal to x or 3x equal to 3x or something like that, then you will pick the last one, all real numbers as solution. If you get a false statement where you have x equal to or 3 equal to 0, 5 equal to 9 or something like that, then you will pick no solution. Hope this video helps.